in this video, I'm planning on talking about escape sequences. So we've already seen one escape sequence. This \n is an escape sequence. So some other escape sequences are things such as \t, and what this is this inserts a tab. So let's just compile this and see that. So if we go back up here, notice how there's now a tab in front of the hello world. There's also a \a, and what that does is it causes a beep or an alarm. So let's see what it does. It's different depending on what operating system you have, but we'll see. So it looks like on mine it didn't actually do anything, but try this \a on your computer and see what it does. Another one is if you want to insert a \, into your text, you have to actually, so if we just do one \, let's see what that does. So it thinks there's an error. It says unknown escape sequence. So if we want to insert a \, we actually need 2 backslashes. So now that's going to insert a \, in front of the data is 2. Another escape sequence, let's say we want to put in a single quote, like let's say we want to put single quotes around this computer games, so we need to use a \, in front of our quote. So let's try this again. Alright, so see how this put the single quotes here. Same thing with a double quote. We need a \, if we want to use a double quote. And the reason why with the single quote and double quote is because the single quote and double quote means something to the compiler. The single quote means that we have a character, and the double quote means that we have a string. So if we want to just print those out, and we don't want the computer to think or the compiler to think they mean something, we have to put the \, or basically the escape, in front of them. So now we have double quotes on the aspirin. So there's a table of escape sequences in your book. You can also find them online if you just Google escape sequences.